Headaches to avoid as a seller when listing your home. Seller frustrations and headaches? Not on my watch. Hi, welcome back. This is Natalia Echeverri with Coldwell Banker and Weston, Florida. So when I link up with sellers, they get every ounce of my real estate expertise, insights, and experience. What does that mean? Street level? It means the seller dodge mistakes, important mistakes like this. Number one, underpricing their home and leaving money on the table. There's always a strategy for this, and I know exactly how to work around it. Not investing on a high quality photographer for a competitive edge, big mistake. Nowadays, everything is visual. Social media, everything. You have to get the best to get the best results. And investing in this is a big thing for me. Number three, refusing to negotiate and driving away a great buyer. You never know, even an offer, a lower offer, can become the best offer if you know how to negotiate. So that is important for me too. Number four, neglecting the repairs that would have delayed the closing process. When we get into details, I can explain more about this. There's always things that you can do to make things better between you and the buyer that won't cost you any money, all right? That is key for me. I've been around the block a time or two, and I know how to help sellers avoid the pitfalls and actually enjoy the selling process. If it sounds like something that you're interested in, just let me know. Send me a comment. We can discuss the possibilities. I am always here to help. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I will see you next week.